Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check if your iPhone is real or fake. So to do that, I'm gonna be showing you that it's very simple and basic. So what you want to do here now, you want to tap on settings, you want to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you go to your settings on your iPhone, I want you to tap on general. So just tap on general. So once you tap on general, it will take you to this page. On this page, you want to tap on about at the top. So once you tap on about, so once you tap on about, it will take you to this your phone info. So on this page, you just want to copy only one thing. What do we need? We are going to be checking this with our serial number, our iPhone serial number. So you just want to copy the serial number. So just tap on the serial number on this page. So once you tap on the serial number, it's going to pop up for you to copy. Just tap on copy. Once you copy it, it will be copied to your clipboard. So from here now, what do you want to do? You want to close this, close that tab. You want to go to your Chrome browser. So you want to go to your Chrome browser. So you want to go to your Chrome browser. So once you open up your Chrome browser, so once you open up your Chrome browser, you want to go to the search bar and type in iPhone serial number check. So once you put in iPhone serial number check, you want to tap on continue. So it will load up this page for you. On this page, you want to tap on the first result, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. So tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will load up for you. So once it loads up, it will show you this page. On this page, what you want to do here, you want to enter your serial number here. Just enter your serial number. You can see where it says enter a serial number. Just once you enter the serial number, tap on submit. So once you tap on submit, it will run the check. So once it runs the check, you can see it brings out my phone for me, guys. It says my phone is iPhone 11 Pro Max. It gives me the serial number. It says this phone was purchased on 16th October 2020. You can see the coverage expired, everything. So if the phone is fake, it won't bring out this serial number for you. So guys, this is how you can actually check if a phone is real or fake. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.